Hello and welcome to LeadQuizzes, the number one AI quiz maker for marketers. This is Hamad, your customer success manager. Capturing leads is great, but automatically sending them to Mailchimp, well, that is really phenomenal. I'm going to show you how to automate your email marketing in just under 2 minutes. First, let's build the bridge. From your LeadQuizzes dashboard, head over to Settings, Integrations, find the Mailchimp in the list, and hit Setup. Now, go to Connect and Authorize, insert the username, log in, make sure you put in your password, and there's login. Click on Allow, and the system will bring you back into Lead Quizzes. Your accounts are now officially connected. So head over to the quiz that we would like to do the configuration of connecting. Go to Configure, Native Integration, Add Integration, and select the integration that we would like to connect, which is Mailchimp, and select the list, Lead Quizzes. Now map the fields like email, name. Also, you have an option to do tagging for the segmentation. Once you're done, just click on Save. Now, no more manual exports needed. Your leads now flow automatically into Mailchimp campaigns the second they finish your quiz. Still have any questions? Just reply or book a quick call. I'm here to help you succeed. Start building your quiz today with Lead Quizzes and watch your leads and your business grow faster. Thank you.